CLSK stock analysis and price predictions for Monday, 11th of August. Is it a buy or not? Which this brief and short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Okay, welcome to CleanSpark. Now, I'm going to tell you one thing is that this is how my chart is looking like. I'm the only person in the space that has actually done this for 45,000 videos in 5 years, all documented, and it's taken me tens of thousands of dollars invested in courses and mentors to figure stuff out, which you obviously don't have to. I've been just burned before. Especially with CLSK, it's a bullish range. I mean, I have a line pointing towards the upside and this looks perfect. But the reality is that once we open on Monday, I'm not buying straight up, right? That's why I have this waiting text. It must give me the confirmation. And if it does not, then I'm not buying. Very simple. So CLSK, I've got like 3 trades, 1 win and then 2 break-evens. Yeah, you can see it's not always wins. Break-evens are not that bad. You just walk away with 0, but yeah, I just stuck to my rules, and I know as long as I stick to the rules, I'll be fine, right? So let me know what is your opinion on CLSK, and if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights and then stock picks as well, click the first link in the description. It's free.